Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick update and try and get things back on track, as it's been some time since we've actually posted up a video. J F Bitza has been away to Peak 2 CV, so we'll give you a quick run around. It's going to be brief, just a little update to let you know where we got with Jonathan at Peak 2 CV. See one of the earlier videos for a complete, or near as we've got complete list of what needs doing. Those that own 2 CVs will know it's never ending. So we'll take a quick tour around the car. The egg panel, we've had that redone. If you remember from an earlier video, there was a hole here. That's obviously been welded, plated, filled. We also had the, if you come around this way, we didn't have that done because that wasn't as big as that. So that's no reflection on Jonathan at all.
Just our prodding and poking.
It was a lot smaller, and we thought that we could get away with putting like rubber stopper thing in here, but me with me hand-fistedness, as you can see, self-explanatory really. That ain't small, that's another weld job, but we're all good for the time being. It's summertime, so I ain't going to get a wet backside, or passengers won't. We also had in here, I don't know if the lighting's going to be up to much, but we'll try. I'll try and move out of the way a bit. The floor down in this corner here, I'll use my size 10 shoe. Down in this corner here is where we had, oh, that's looking good, yeah, that seems to be alright for camera. Jonathan's also had that welded for us, again for the MOT. And if the cameraman comes back out a touch and to the C panel here, the C pillar, sorry, I'll put some pictures up as well to show the condition of it, and obviously the splendid work that he's done. I can't rave about him enough. I can certainly see why they've got the reputation that they've got. And he also put a bead of weld along this little hole here for us, which was rather nice of him. Welding a bit of filler. So there we go. So that's us up to date for the time being. Like I say, it was just a quick update, and we'll get back to you soon with a bit more footage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. We'll catch you again soon. I'll see you.